All right, everybody. Today I traded BYND. I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to show you 3 trades in 3 minutes. So I bought the same puts twice. I bought the $170 October 16th puts. I was in the first trade for a minute. I made, I don't know, $120. And then I made another $270 in about 3 minutes, just trading from a really short-term chart. And I don't necessarily encourage this, but BYND gapped open this morning. Matt, in my coaching program, which I'll talk to you about in just a second, he said, Rob, this jumps, and usually when it jumps, it comes back down. So I waited for bearish divergence on the 1 minute chart. Right there, I took the first trade. And then when it broke below this moving average, should be the 10, the 20, when it broke below the 20 moving average, I bought more puts, and I was only in that down to the, what I'm guessing is the 62 moving average. Gosh, I don't even remember what my moving averages are. It doesn't really matter. Everything turned out just fine. Those were super short-term trades. So if you get a stock that tends to be so volatile and jump back and forth, you get a chance to do stuff like that. So here we go. 3 trades in 3 minutes. So we've got Roku. I want you to look at Roku, and I want you to look at it on the 1 hour chart. If it breaks below 176.71, $176.71 a share, it's probably going to reach down to this weekly missed pivot from last week around 163.50. So watch for that. It's got to break support before that trade is ready. BYND, I think that we're probably on the way down to 158.66. And I am going to continue to look for levels where I could trade that. Now, I would guess that right now, if I switch to the 5 minute chart, there's a possibility that we are going to see a level of support right around 163.90. And if it breaks below that or below the 20 moving average at 162.83, we're probably going all the way back down to fill this gap, maybe even down to 153, 151. So there's some pretty great targets there, but we're at least going back down to 158.66. And then you got Walmart, which is not necessarily a super exciting financial instrument. You don't think about trading Walmart, but there's a really unique, awesome setup here. We got the giant launch, the retracement, and I usually look for this pattern on micro cap stocks trading under $10 that have millions of shares in average daily volume. But this pattern, this strike zone pattern, is emerging on Walmart, which is kind of fascinating. So above 139.23, I love a buy trade with basically an open target, with basically let the profit run. Okay, now I've got an interesting idea for you. Okay, I'm back. If you want to work on this stuff with me every single day, go to robbiebooker.com/app. So just type that into your browser, robbiebooker.com/app. Or if there should be a link right below this video or right around this video, and you should be able to just click on that link. It will take you to this form, and you'll get a chance to fill out this form. You'll say, I want to be mentored by you. You put your email address in, your phone number, your full name. You'll answer some questions. You click submit. And then David or one of my friends or me, we will call you and we will talk to you about the program. I've got 2 spots open right now. I'd love for you to have one of those. Okay, have the greatest day of all time and forever. Love you all. And I'll see you soon.